3.5 door hinges with holes. Steel construction for use on residential doors. 5/8 radius corners. Mounting screws included. We seek to benefit our customers by sourcing quality products at the best value, while providing leadership in multi-category product development, consolidation, and logistical support. The Design House 181,438 3-pack hinge 3.5 inches in oil rubbed bronze has a 5/8 of an inch radius corner for use on residential duty wooden doors. These door hinges are made of steel with a staggered hole pattern. Each hinge has 6 holes and measures 3.5 an inch by 3.5 an inch by 7/16 of an inch. These hinges do not have a removable pin, and screws are included. Top reviews from the United States. Quality product. Cheaper than the big box hardware home improvement stores and went right into the cutouts from original 40-year-old interior door hardware. Easy install. So finally one common hardware standard lasted for decades.